Now we are heading to
Amur
watch.
Falcon.
Yeah, you can give some brief.
We are now heading to the place where Amur Falcon come for feeding in the evening.
Okay, this will be very interesting. North America. Yeah, here. Towards where it looks like this. Birds are feeding there. We're trying to capture some. Birds.
Oh, I see the room there.
Yo.
Yeah, that's why they are feeding the
Tulum. Tulum to English land did you know? I don't know. But then we call Tulum. Tulum coming up so they. Swimmer. Okay. See. Okay. This bird, so it will fly back after winter. See. Wow. This is amazing. See. Wow. I'm enjoying with those watchings on birds. See, enjoy kam bamboy. I see tulum pui tu bamboy. I will take na si tulum pui tu bamboy. Samai keng je hai si to. Kam set lang ju tu no risk ka bamboy si jai na. I see government ban kam je restricted to ni boy se. Watch come on boy. This is the natural beauty. I tulum pui tu boy. Tulum pui. Pai ba me de.
You're even hitting one another, Dada.
Yeah.
Bird traffic.
They are a foolish bird.
Birds traffic. You're hitting one another.
See,
Oh my god.
this is a rare bird which is found in Nagaland. They will be fly back very soon. Safe journey, guys.